Okay, guys, this is a very, very weird unboxing to say the least. I haven't really unboxed anything this big on the channel before, and uh, I'm just really stoked about this. This is the very limited edition Resident Evil 4 chainsaw controller for the Nintendo GameCube, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and get this underway because I really want to see this. I've only seen this in I've only seen this on the internet. I've never seen one in person. So this is really exciting, and I don't want to cut myself. Let's see if we can get rid of this stupid posting. I'm trying my best to get this in full shot. Like I said, this is a larger unboxing than I'm used to doing. And there goes the packing peanuts in all its glory. And it's wrapped. Okay, there's no way to avoid making a mess with this. Packing peanuts just gonna have to go everywhere. And it's raining packing peanuts. Okay. Here we go. Now with this, I actually got two things. I got a nice copy. If I can get this unraveled. So we got a copy of Resident Evil 4 for the GameCube. 2 discs and manual. So that was a really nice find. I like getting my games in complete form. But here is what I really wanted. And I got a really good deal out of this. I'm really happy with the deal I got for this. So let's see. Here's a little teaser for you. This is just simply awesome. This is supposed to be unopened. I'm not sure if I'm pleased with how it's wrapped around the chainsaw, but beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. Okay. Oop, better not knock anything over. And this is awesome. Here's a look at the display case it comes in. You can see it in there. There's Leon hanging out right there saying, "What's up?" Resident Evil 4. Custom design limited edition chainsaw controller with unique serial number. Original blood spatter design. Every chainsaw is different. Superior design for improved game-centric play and realistic rumble feature. There's some more artwork. Some quotes from the game. Really nice. This is a really nice box. This is nicely presented. Make sure you know it's bloody, sanguinant, and sangriento. I just butchered somebody's language. I apologize. Alright, so let's crack this guy open. And it opens up in this little chest here. We'll just remove that. Ooh. This is a lot lighter than I was expecting. And this is a lot cooler than I was expecting as well. So, let's take a tour around the controller itself. It's got this... It's got a very gory design to it. I'm happy about that. Look how awesome. See, it's very... It's going to be a conversation piece to say the least. So you got your A button, X and Y, and your B button, C stick, and your D-pad and the start button, and the left analog stick. And right around here, this is your L trigger. That's not a button there. Right here is the Z button, and this right here is your R button. So your shoulder buttons, your L trigger is right here, and your R trigger is down here. So it is, I guess, meant to be played like this. Okay guys, sorry for the cutaway on that one. Had to go and change locations. Anyway, I'm gonna do another overview of the controller. Do this with one hand here. Now what's interesting, there's a nice the logo on the controller is very nice. It's not like a cheap plastic. It's actually kind of a laminate over it. And what's unique, I went over the buttons, went over the kind of the way you have to hold it. In reference to this, here is a GameCube controller as reference. So there's a regular GameCube controller. And here's this one. Because I noticed that this was a just about the same kind of width of a GameCube controller. I for some reason I kind of expected it to be a little bit bigger. Not that I'm complaining though. I mean, this is a really awesome collector's item. I mean, just having this on your wall will get people to notice your game shelf, I think. And I like the yellow on it. And I love this case. Inside, there are actually some more stuff that I didn't get to show you. Here you'll find an instruction booklet. Inside the instruction booklet has some information. Let's see if I can get this opened. Specifics on the controller, a rumble feature for a realistic chainsaw feel, official Capcom licensed product, unique blood spattering, no two are alike. I'd like to I had to order another one to compare it, I guess. And there is a detachable cable. Like, I guess, I don't know if anyone noticed, but there wasn't a cable attached to it when I unboxed it. Then this, thank you for purchasing Newbie Tech Limited Edition Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Controller for use with the Nintendo GameCube console system. Help Leon fight the new horror that has overtaken a rural part of Europe in this newest addition to the Resident Evil franchise. Okay, I'm going to wrap up this video real quick so I don't have any more interruptions. So inside the box, you get this nice little display base. If you don't want to keep it in the box, you have the stand. And it's very, very nice and sturdy. There's actually, right here, there's actually a spot for a memory card if you so choose to use it that way. And if we look underneath here, this is the cable compartment, if you can read upside down. I know what it is. It's where the GameCube cable lies. And here we go. This is a very lengthy cable, actually. It's longer than most GameCube cables that you get. So you get what looks like a double-ended GameCube cord. So you get one end goes in here, like so. Alright, come on. And then the other end goes into the GameCube. So, and I'm not going to do that right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I'm sorry for the kind of shakiness. I had to do this last part one-handed, but I hope you guys liked it. If you want me to, I can do some gameplay with me using it, if you so choose, if you would like. And I'm showing the serial number because it's 119161 of 50,000. So yeah. Anyway, that's the Resident Evil 4 chainsaw controller unboxing. Please like and subscribe. I'll be able to do more things for you guys in the future. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.